Welcome to Bullion Bulletin. Mr. Shivanshu Mehta is with me. He is Vice President, Business Development and Bullion of India's largest commodity exchange, popularly known as MCX. Welcome, sir. What made MCX to become number one exchange in India in a very short span of time?
Well, MCX has been in existence since 2003 November, and over the years it has maintained leading domestic position as well as an international position in terms of being one of the top 10 exchanges globally by the number of contracts traded as per the FIA study. It is largely due to the leadership at MCX, the patronage of our over 2,100 members, our location in more than 1,900 cities in India, and if you look at the authorized person network of the members, then 7,000 different postal locations. So it's spread which has been created over these years in a bid to deliver value to the end customer. MCX has also retained the market share in terms of numbers, about 85% overall market share in the domestic commodity setup. And when you talk specifically about bullion, 99%.
Bullion, you have very strong number. I mean, there is no competitor on bullion.
Well, yes, we've tried to be innovative on the product front. As you know that 4 of our precious metal products, contracts that is, feature in the FIA list of top 20 world future and option contracts as per the calendar year 2013. It has been innovation and the product offering to the customer, I feel, which has helped, because we have products in each denomination. We have the gold kilo contract, we have the gold mini, which is 100 grams, and we have the gold guinea 8-gram coin. And we are probably the only exchange in the world which has a gold petal 1-gram contract. In our bid to offer this product quality and delivery at the very grassroots, that probably has led to this.
Yes, certainly, because only in your exchange every person can participate, whatever the size of their business, right from petal to the standard gold contract. It means that everybody can participate.
Yes, to add to the retail participation, I must also highlight that a lot of hedgers participate on MCX, whether it's jewelry associations, refineries, or branded jewelry players. Proud to have a presence of the hedging segment as well on the other front, apart from the speculation and the trade.
How are you enjoying this conference?
No, I think this really is an opportunity to rub shoulders with the entire gold value chain. And the idea is to have a ear to the market in terms of what they really are experiencing and how best we can, as an exchange, further support.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.